In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Disney stock on Charles Schwab. So if you have a Charles Schwab brokerage account, it's real easy to do. So what you want to do is go to your Charles Schwab account. And when you're in your home page here, your dashboard or your accounts, all you really need to do is go to the search bar at the top right corner here where you see the little magnifying glass. And you just want to type in Disney. So once you type in Disney, it'll come up. You see here Walt Disney Company. That way you know it's the real thing. And you see the current stock price when the stock market closed. And what you can do here is it'll give you projections of what it's been for the past certain time frames. So as you see here, it's actually dropped a lot in the past month. So what you want to do is once you're deciding on if you want to buy it or not, go ahead to the green button here where it says buy. And when you're here, you want to just very carefully read through and just make sure you're doing it the right way. So you want to focus on quantity and just hit the plus sign. That way you're buying one and it gives you the price. So if I were to hit 2, this would change as well. Or no, it doesn't change right away. So you want to buy one stock and at that price, which is the current price of the actual stock itself. Sometimes it'll round up and you want to hit review order. And then this is the summary right before you do it, and you would go ahead and place order. I don't have enough funds in my account to buy the stock, but that is how you would go about buying Disney stock on Charles Schwab. It's very simple, very easy to do, and that's how you would do that. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one.